All right, y'all, for day 9 of my July series where I cook and try other food content creators' recipes, we've got shans.sweet.tea's lazy enchilada bake for Taco Tuesday. Let me show you how she makes it. In a big mixing bowl, she adds 1 rotisserie chicken, and she adds 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, a 10-ounce can of Rotel tomatoes. I did not drain these. 1 15.5-ounce can of black beans that I did drain. She adds some sour cream. I'm just eyeballing this part. And then a bag of sharp cheddar cheese. I'm fresh out of sharp cheddar cheese today, so I'm gonna do this bag of quesadilla cheese. Save a little bit for the top. Then add some taco seasoning. And then just give this a nice mix. I feel like you could definitely sub the chicken for ground beef if you wanted to, or even chorizo, whatever protein you prefer. Add 4 ounces of green chilies that have been drained. I just love the smell of hatched green chilies. I don't know what it is, but man, gets me going. This all nice and stirred up. I had so many comments on my last video. What did I make in this? I can't remember. I made something and y'all kept asking me where I got this. It's been handed down for generations, but it's Corningware for oven and microwave. So I don't know. I don't know if it's still around or not, but that's what it is. She says to spray the pan. And then she goes in with some red enchilada sauce. Don't pour all of this. We're just gonna pour a little bit on the bottom, because we need to save it for the other layers. All right, and then she says to take tortillas. It doesn't matter, she said, if you use flour or corn, but I know you guys, and if I don't use corn tortillas for an enchilada recipe, y'all are gonna chew me out in the comments. So I'm gonna use corn tortillas. Cut through all this, but, oh yeah. So, just quarter these up. Perfect. All right, and then she just throws these down in the bottom of the pan. Pour on a layer of the mixture. I'm gonna do about half. Get this nice and spread out. I'm gonna add a little bit of Colby Jack cheese to this because I need to get rid of it. All right, and then another layer of our corn tortillas. Okay, and our mixture. All right, and I'm just gonna top this with the rest of that quesadilla cheese or sharp cheddar cheese, whatever cheese you decide to use. And I'm gonna add the remainder of this Colby Jack just because I need to get rid of this. So we're gonna pretend that this is sharp cheddar cheese. This is gonna go in a 375-degree oven, covered, she says, for like the first 20 minutes, and then uncovered for another 15, or until the cheese is all melty and it's all nice and bubbly. And I'll see you when it's ready. Forgot to show, I did add this red enchilada sauce, what was left of it, to the top of this. All right, y'all, this lazy enchilada bake is ready. I added some green onion to the top. I'm gonna let it cool, and then we're gonna do a taste test. I made some Spanish rice as a side. Let's dig in. This looks absolutely delicious. Mmm. Oh my goodness. You guys. Shans.sweet.tea, you outdid yourself with this. Oh my gosh, you guys gotta make it. So good.